Hi everyone, hope you are fine and doing well today. And in this video, I will explain you how you can change the icon size in your Redmi 10 and 10 Prime. Firstly, if you are new to the channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon so you can get the new videos. Now let's move toward the topic. I will explain how you can change the icon size of the icons on your home screen in your Redmi 10 and 10 Prime. So just watch the complete video and follow the steps as I am showing in this video so you can solve your icon size change issue. You can make them large or you can make them small too. Just watch the video.